Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the series of cryptocurrency, our second video states the first ever cryptocurrency of the world. So let's get started. So e-money and other existing electronic means of payments have their value stored on a piece of hardware. For instance, in chips or the records of the trusted third party facilitating the transactions, right? This value is legally guaranteed by legislation of the state under which such hardware, that is of cards such as ATM, debit card or credit card, is issued. Cryptocurrencies, on other hand, are based on distributed ledgers, where the records of the transactions are stored on a publicly distributed chain, encrypted to provide pseudonymity to the transactors and avoid double spending, a problem often associated with online transactions, detectable through a working consensus algorithm. So, a transaction in the cryptocurrency space involves the transfer of certain units of currency from one address on the network to another address. This requires a wallet. So, now we came across the concept of wallet. So, let's see what a wallet is. So, wallet is typically a software such as an app on the phone that allows the user to manage its addresses, public or private keys. Addresses, then public and private keys. An address is an identifier akin to an account number in the bank's record. Private and public keys are the strings of letters and numbers used to protect messages cryptographically. Okay, so you have three things in a wallet. The first is you have addresses. These are account details of other users, which are like there are account number linked to these addresses in a bank record. Then next is you have public keys and private keys. Now these two are alphanumeric characters used for protecting the messages, protecting the transactions and protecting the messages using cryptography. So an address is transformed shorter function of the public key. While the account address is public, only a private key can unlock the address to make the transactions. The keys have complex strings. It is useful to transform them into fixed length of encrypted key. Hash is a kind of signature for now. Like you always know that when you go in bank, you have to you give a check, or if you want to access, you have to sign your signature, right? For here digitally it's hash. That's an algorithm which is used as a signature for a text or a data file. The transformation is referred to as hashing. There are standard hashing algorithms to transform the larger strings for purpose of indexing and referencing. For example, one of such examples of hash algorithm is, which is used widely, is SHA-256, generates almost a unique 256-bit signature for the text. This hash serves as an input to successive transactions. The core innovation that Bitcoin brought in the space was through its consensus mechanism known as Nakamoto consensus. Nakamoto concessions. Without the presence of third-party facilitator, accuracy system based on a decentralized ledger is susceptible to aforementioned double spending attacks. Since there is no physical existence of money, it is possible that an individual could transfer the same bits associated with a unit of currency twice to two different individuals in isolation. Since the decentralized ledger is composed of blocks of the transactions, it is essential for the network to identify the validity of these transactions and thus the validity of the existing chain of transactions in absence of trusted third party. In order to permanently publish transactions as valid on the Bitcoin ledger, the transformations need to be verified together as a group of transactions known as blocks. Once the transactions are verified, they are added to the existing chain of transaction blocks or blockchain. However, a computationally challenging and now resource intensive cryptographic puzzle needs to be solved to validate the transactions. The puzzle is designed in such a way that the solution of the puzzle should partially have same characters as the hashed output of transactions. This points to the validity of transactions in the system while the pseudonymity of the details. The puzzle is randomized in nature in order to spread evenly the probability of finding the solution. This entire concept is called proof of work. And is basis of enhancement of multiple blockchains across different cryptocurrencies. If a block is found to have invalid transactions, it is rejected by participants. These participants striving to find a solution to the puzzle are known as miners and get transaction fee and a unit of cryptocurrency that they are able to generate after solving the puzzle. Bitcoin is an example of cryptographic virtual currency and was the first of its kind. Bitcoin continues to lead the pack of cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization, user base and popularity. Other virtual currencies such as Ethereum are being used to create decentralized financial systems for those without access to traditional financial products. Some altcoins are also being endorsed as they have newer features than Bitcoin, such as ability to handle more transactions per second or use different consensus algorithms for like proof of stake. Other important cryptocurrencies are Litecoin, that is LTC. Second is Cardano, also abbreviated as ADA. Third one is Polkadot, abbreviated as DOT. Fourth one is Bitcoin Cash. Abbreviated as BCH. Next is, these are all other virtual currencies apart from Bitcoin. Next is Stellar, XLM, abbreviated as XLM. Sixth one is Chainlink. You don't have to remember all of them, but just keep in mind the names. So whenever if it's asked somewhere that what is like which of one is not cryptocurrency or which of one is cryptocurrency, you have a very overall view of it, that you know that which one are and which one are not. Binance Coin, abbreviated as BNB. I'll write it over here. Eighth one is Tether, USDT. Ninth one is Monero, XM. So there are others also which are there, but these are some of the names. Okay, so this is all about it. Next we are going to see alternative to cryptocurrencies of Bitcoin. So please stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel. Please press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. Thank you.